Welcome home to your serene country retreat set on 20 scenic acres. Tucked back off of a quiet country road, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is surrounded by rolling land, open skies, and the peaceful sounds of nature. Step onto the covered front porch and find the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or take in the golden hour sunsets with no distractions in sight. Inside, you're welcomed by a bright and comfortable living space with large windows that bring in natural light and frame the views of your land. The kitchen offers plenty of cabinet space and functional layout and easy access to the dining area, which is ideal for family meals or casual entertaining. Down the hall, you'll find 3 well-sized bedrooms, each offering peaceful views and generous closet space. The 2 full bathrooms are clean, spacious, and well-situated for everyday convenience. The outbuilding is ideal for hobbies, storage, or workshop space. Stepping outside, whether you're exploring your own wooded paths, starting a mini farm, or just soaking in the stillness, this land offers an incredible lifestyle that's peaceful, private, and full of possibility. Call Ginger Miller to come see for yourself how good country living can be.